In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a calculator shortcut to your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a shortcut for your calculator on your lock screen on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your lock screen settings. So you want to hold down on an empty portion of the home screen. Then you want to hit wallpaper and style. From there, what you want to do is hit your current wallpaper. And then from there, you want to hit the icon that you want to change to your calculator shortcut. From there, you want to scroll down and you want to look for your calculator app. And then when you select the calculator app, it'll be changed to the new shortcut. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a calculator shortcut to your lock screen on the S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below.